something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. You can get away. Chase beach views and then everything.
Had previously before I broke it actually. Truthfully, I broke it. So here is the little silver bottle airbrush. It's lightweight, cordless, rechargeable, quiet technique. Right? So let's see what's in here. Now that is on Amazon again. I'm gonna repeat myself. It comes with the little instructions, all the good stuff, how to use it. I can't wait to use it so I can start doing some of my ombre for my nails, because I'm a beginner, so I have a clue what this is, honestly. I'm gonna believe this might be like a hose or something, a hose that goes to the machine. This is the charger and stuff. Take out the little piece. Beautiful and black. Yes. I wish it was pink, but that's okay. And then I believe there's another item in here. Just bear with me. I'm not too really good with this video stuff. So this is all the pieces that comes in there. Where you can put the liquid ink or colors. They're small and big, which is, I might use the little one. There's a other one in here too. Kind of, if I can get it out. See, it comes with this one. These. These. Those kind of dim. There you go. Sorry for the lights, y'all. So that comes with this one, and that one. I'm still trying to figure out what's that holes for, but I'll figure it out. So it comes with all the tools. I'm assuming one of these little thingamajiggy brushes are to clean the brush. Not the brush. The airbrush inside to clean it. I like the fact that it's in a little keychain. I don't have to lose them. I can hook them up to my thing. And this is the thing. Oh. This is the piece. Beautiful. I hope I don't break this one. Lord jeez. This around. It's tight. Look at me. Get out. I like it. That's the high settings. That's off. This is low. This is high. Mine is the other one that I had didn't. I had one of this option. And we'll see how this goes. So this is my little hairbrush machine. It's called Little Silver Bottle. So I can't wait to use it for my little nails and stuff like that. I can do my ombre. And also it comes with these little pieces too. It's like a little screwdriver, I guess different mounts to it. And a little droppy thing so I can drop some color in it. I'm gonna test it out with the acetone and some gel polish. Do some ombre. Because that was the reason why I got this for. Do some ombre because I am bad in ombre. I'm learning, y'all. I'm learning. I'm trying to get to where everyone is, but it's gonna take a long time. I know it is. Okay, y'all. So this is what it is. My little machine, my airbrush, my tools, little gadgets, with all this, and this, and that. So that's what you get. And actually there's a coupon for it once you order it. I'm gonna try to see if I can link it below. I know, I hope so. Lord Jesus. And put it in there. Okay?